Hello, everybody. Welcome you again. We are hosting Clean Architecture Introduction Part. Let's see what we have. Clean architecture. Clean architecture is the most powerful software design which promotes the separation of concerns and the creation of highly maintainable and flexible software systems. And this can be done by organizing the code base into independent layers that communicate through defined interfaces. What are interfaces? What makes them maintainable, flexible? What is separation of concerns? We will look through them one by one. And let me see, is it uh, right for you? Pros and cons of clean architecture. Well, everything has its plus and minus sides. As we said earlier, separation of concerns, testability, flexibility, and maintainability are the most beneficial part of clean architecture, while if you're creating really simple application, it might be overhead complex, and it also takes a lot of time to understand the concepts of clean architecture, which means learning curve, and it is really time consuming, as it took me almost, I don't know, more than months to just understand what does it mean, this concept. Okay, with this clean architecture, what we're going to build? Let me surprise you with a wallpaper app. Well, we will add search, pagination, and download buttons, which really works. And I try to post it into GitHub so everyone can use it. Well, we're going to use Pixabay website for these beautiful images. So, what we learn in this course? I should answer to this because everyone wants to learn something from them. Well, first, we will organize folders and name them correctly so not to get confused because there will be a lot of, as we said, independent layers. We save these independent layers within these folders, and we implement principle of dry, which means do not repeat yourself on codes. I will show you what codes are repeated again and again and how to avoid, which really helps to save time and make our code clear and more readable. In this course, I would like to teach you how to use get it, which is very simple, and we will send, of course, requests to server to get these pictures and make them get downloaded to our mobile machine. So it will be REST API services with DIO library. Then we have block state management library. It helps us in different situations create different screen sets. Like when there is error, it shows error. When it is success, it will show us the list of pictures. As I said, there will be business separation from UI. We will do our best not to show the logic to UI. We will separate them into repositories and service class. Block also help us to separate in separation of logic from UI, so there will be clear picture to see what it looks like developing high quality app with clean architecture in Dart and Flutter. Thanks for your attentions. See you on our next episodes. Good luck on coding.